guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you someone's liked videos on TikTok. So for that, we have to go to our TikTok app. Right here, I am on my account. So I want to go to the persons that I am following. In here, I will choose this person. And if I want to see what videos this person liked, I have to click on this heart icon. And here I can see all the videos that the person liked. But if they set this on private, you will not be able to see what videos they like. So I will show you an example. I will go to this account, and if I go to the heart icon, I am not able to see what videos this person liked because they set it on private. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can smash that like button, and you can also comment down below and turn on that notification bell to all. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.